A tree up on the hill, and days go by on your windowsill, and you're standing in its shade. Raise your children tall and proud, chase away the lightning clouds until you finally get old and gray. We all fade away. Plant a flag and make a stand, and build a fence around your land. But by and by, the stones will crumble down. Spend your life for what it's worth, but one day you'll return to earth and leave your DNA above the ground. So I guess you'll still be around. Through all the troubles that we go through in our lives, living up our lives. Whoa, we're only here for a short while. Better take it with a smile and try. Take it all in stride. All in stride. Fear will hold you in your place. Hide inside, don't show your face, and maybe it'll all just go away. But one day you might ask yourself, are all my dreams up on a shelf, and all I have to show this wasted time?